Hello trade boosters, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to trade the EMA with HEIKENASHI candles. This is literally my favorite strategy, well, one of my favorite strategies, because it is so accurate. It just needs you to follow the rules and you get it right. Okay, so these are the indicators up here. I've got the 3 EMA and I've got the HEIKENASHI candlesticks. All right, cool. There are only 2 rules to this. When EMA is above price, you're looking for sells. When EMA is below price, like such, you're looking for buys. All right. Now, how do we confirm our buys or sells? We look for pullbacks. All right. Whenever our HEIKENASHI candle pulls back all the way down here, as you can see, to the green zone, you can see we have our green zone there, and eventually forms a green candle right here, we are going to take a buy and put our stop loss underneath the previous low. That is it. We want to target the most recent high. Cool. Now vice versa, let's say our HEIKENASHI candlesticks is over. Let's look for another example. All right, cool. We can see it here. This is overbought. Yeah, prices here is overbought, and we happen to, yeah, prices overbought, and we happen to be, yeah, we happen to be below the candlestick. You see, we haven't, then a red candle forms. This is a sell. Stop loss here. Take profit here. You can see this one is a loss, but not all. You will not win all the time. And obviously, you can see we have another touch here in our green area. Prices above the EMA. This is a nice buy over here. Green. It prints our green candle. Stop loss will need this area. That's a nice win over here. 1-to-1. This is a 1-to-1 as well. So we've pretty much made back that profit. Price comes back again. As you can see, price comes back again into our area. Take a buy over here. Stop loss underneath this area. Target this high. As you can see, we eventually hit take profit. That's another win over there. You can see this is another great example. You can see prices coming into our area, our green area, and prices above the EMA. So we're going to be looking for buys. So we're going to wait for the first green candle to form, which is right here. It formed right there. Take a buy. Stop loss underneath this area. I'd say put your stop loss here. There we go. And we've hit take profit just like that. So it is quite simple, very simple. You can get high risk rewards. It just depends the season and the day. And yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed this strategy. Be sure to let me know how it goes. And yeah, man, I'll subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.